We are in New Zealand.
We are in New Zealand.
Check this.
There is something in the air, like I have to go nowhere. If someone ever asks me.
We are in New Zealand.
We are in New Zealand, that's true. We saw already some amazing nature from the airplane. And now we have our new home. We're on the way to the airport to pick up family.
My sister and Max. See you soon.
Habt ihr einen Camper?
Welcome!
Yeah, the camper. Carnival in Christchurch. Well, I would say that's a little upgrade to our kitchen in our Australia van, right?
Definitely. It's but it's our old school van life curry.
First dinner.
Thank you for
Enjoy.
You're welcome. Cheers!
Good morning.
I was asleep.
Good.
Look at the view. Forget about the container. And then the view is really good. Morning. How was your sleep?
Lunchtime. First hike, we are in Kaikoura and we're gonna do the coastal walk.
Look what we got over here. Produce. On the moment we come back in Europe, we have seen the whole zoo.
Yeah, so that's the Sauvignon Blanc.
Another nice camping spot, another tasty breakfast. Today we go to Abel, Tasman.
Woo! Of course, it needs to happen. Flat battery, unfortunately, but luckily there are some nice peeps around us who can help us. Hopefully it works. Arrived at Abel Tasman Park. Mr. Flower Power will lead us to Coquille Bay. Okay.
Oh! Ich hab mir, ey, seid verrückt, ne? Ich hab die ganze Zeit gedacht, ihr wollt uns nicht überschrecken.
Well, ending the day with a nice dinner.
Yeah,
First impression, Abel Tasman.
fantastic. It's really nice.
And tomorrow, kayak.
Woohoo!
Guys, ready for canoeing, kayaking?
Yes. 100%.
GoPro. That was a nice day on the water.
It was an epic day. Super beautiful. Got some refreshments.
Some ginger beer from Australia. We crossed the mountains on the way to the west coast. Nearly ran out of gas, but we made it. And now we are at the west coast of New Zealand, and we're gonna do the Cape Foulwind walk.
Tim Tam for Timmy.
Tim Tam for Timmy.
Here. Maybe a little bit more experience, we think.
How sweet are the seals?
Super sweet. They're so cool.
The seals have their own swimming pool over there. We found a nice spot at the beach. Beautiful sunset.
The best ever. The best I have ever seen.
Workout with a view.
Look at the view.
Looks good.
Deutsche Schlager. And views. We're going to the Franz Josef Glacier, right? Yeah. Sehr geil. Toll. Before visiting the Franz Josef Glacier, first a little lunch. There, around the corner, Bratkartoffeln. Made by Klaus himself, the barbecue meister. And we will eat in the sun with that view. I would say that's terrific.
Wirklich.
Ist echt so.
Gin tonic with a view.
Okay, schnell Foto.
On the way to the glacier. Unfortunately, no drone shots over here, but we will find more nice spots for the drones where it will be allowed. Halt, stop.
You have to stop here.
Stop here, okay. I gotta go in.
How was it?
Cold. Really cold. Guys.
Morning. We were talking about breakfast.
Yeah.
We
Just
wanted to
ask
make
my dad what he
yogurt,
wants.
but maybe fresh eggs.
Fresh eggs would be good, right?
Yeah.
That would be brilliant.
Yes, a chicken. Okay, my dad comes. Hi Papa.
Hi.
Was hältst du von frischen Eiern zum Frühstück?
Sehr gut.
Real fresh eggs.
Dabei.
Richtig frei.
So. Fresh Egg.
Okay, jetzt bin ich auf Mamas Reaktion gespannt. Oh, so geil.
Nein, nicht auswärts, nicht auswärts. Nicht.
Der war auch schon unterm.
Hallo. Hallo.
No fresh eggs, but a Bali inspired brekkie by Rian. Enjoy.
Traveling. Next stop, Blue Pools in the area of Wanaka. At least the guys are jumping in. Karen and I are not sure about that.
See?
Are you looking forward to me?
A bit cold, but looking
How
forward to a
cold?
swim. Pretty cold.
Are you jumping?
It's a bit cold, I guess. But the water is so clear and nice. I'm gonna jump in.
Ooh. 3 brave men are gonna jump from the bridge.
Enjoy your refreshment.
1, 2, 3.
Good morning. 3:30 in the morning. What the fuck is happening?
Again, a trip is not the same without a morning hike.
Where do we hike to?
Royce Peak.
Okay, let's go.
Let's hit that track. How's it going up there in front of me? Very good. Very good? It's 6:45. Tim and I reached the top already.
We made it.
Have some dry clothes because we were pretty sweaty. And now it's waiting for the family and then sunrise time.
Sunrise. Good job, guys. Yay!
You made it!
High five!
Good job! Was it worth it to walk up?
It was exactly the hell.
Yeah, but was it good to see this?
Now it's awesome.
The men are ready. Der Männer?
Mit Aufgabe. Gonna be broodje hagelslag with a view. Good?
No.
We are halfway down. This is the top. Whoop. And we are on the way back to the car park down there. We made it! We made it all back down. That was an amazing hike, right?
It was an amazing hike. And I think hereby this is a cut for video 1. 2 videos for New Zealand. This was 1. Thank you for watching and see you later.
Queenstown, here we come.